Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from Crone-Findlay.com and toddytalkscrafts.com. These are the samplers that I wove for the Potholder Loom Weaving Book showing tapestry techniques. Now, there's all kinds of different techniques that you'll learn, quite simple little things, but that add up when you put them together to being able to then use those techniques to weave tapestries on your potholder loom. So these are the I show in the book the step-by-step how to do each of the various techniques. And once you've learned how to do those techniques, they transfer directly over into other things that you can then weave tapestry using the tapestry technique on your potholder looms, like that. People often find weaving tapestry faces to be challenging, and so what I did in the book was I broke down the process of weaving a face and show how to weave the face with the eyes closed and with the eyes open, and in two different sizes. And all of the techniques that you will be doing in the sampler are transferred directly into being able to weave faces. Now, you can see the angel, the blue angel, has the eyes closed version of the face. The Frida has eyes open. And I use the faces on their own to make really nice shawl pins, which for some people might be too large, but so I did a smaller version as well. So from sampler directly into faces. It's a direct correlation. Quite useful. I also designed the cat faces to be woven in tapestry technique, and the reason why I did that was because I wanted to say to people, look, you can weave whimsical and fun things that will just also, as well as being fun and charming, because these wall hangings are indeed very charming, but they're going to build your tapestry weaving chops by having a lot of fun. Just building up the techniques and the expertise by just keeping on doing it. So that's why the kitty wall dolls are part of the process of tapestry practice. One of my favorite things to weave is little houses. I've been weaving houses for decades. If you go to my Etsy shop, you'll see there's a gnome dome, not a gnome dome, but a gnome house that's woven on the potholder loom as well. And these are little houses that are woven using tapestry techniques. And again, I show you step by step how to weave each section of the house using tapestry techniques. So in the book, you'll have the full instructions for the woven tapestry houses. And if you do a Christmas village, then these little houses are perfect for that. And speaking of Christmas, gingerbread is a big deal at our house. So making the gingerbread houses is always really special and important. And so I used the Tapestry Houses house pattern to weave the basic gingerbread house, and then I used lucite cord to do all of what you would do with piping. Your icing is done by piping your lucite cord and stitching it on. You can also weave the tapestry houses as a flat two-dimensional house that you can hang on the wall, and using the same tapestry techniques that and I embellished this one with a bit of felting too, and there's a bit of felting on these ones as well too. So it's just so much fun to be able to weave tapestries on the potholder looms, no matter what size of loom. These ones I wove, these are 3-inch size pieces for the the houses. And but you can weave, on the 3-inch loom, the 6-inch loom, the 9-inch loom. So happy tapestry weaving, and enjoy the Potholder Loom Weaving Book, and enjoy your weaving. Talk to you soon.